Hi there. If you need to import a CSV file into Proactive Campaigns, follow these steps. First, start creating a campaign as usual, fill in the name, add tags, and share with other agents if needed. Second, open the Import User List tab on the Select Target List stage and upload a CSV file. However, we suggest you download our sample CSV and compare it to your file to prevent the campaign from getting failed. Besides, you can import the following data: name, email, language, organization name, alias, details, notes, phone, Twitter, Facebook, tags, time zone, and custom fields. So after you upload the CSV document, you will see the modal window, and if your columns are named as the fields, the mapping will be done automatically. If not, you should map columns manually. After, click Save to continue. In addition, you also can click this icon to change the mapped columns. So, finish the campaign and launch it. If this tutorial is helpful, subscribe to our channel and visit our website. See you there.